fixed several issues. One big problem we fixed is a character stuck problem. It seems to have a 40% chance that the character gets stuck, and I wrote a little bit algorithm to fix this problem. It seems, and now our program is perfectly okay to run without this problem.
So this week I drawing some texture and some small island and a small crystal.
Just finished this guy's texture. Next I will be working on the second level, the Sky Island, which the texture is halfway done yet, but I can't really show you at the moment. I finished the last character actions. And next I want to for week 6 I finished all the sound effects for our games. As you can see,
part has big progress, and as you can see, now we have synchronized all the balls, positions, orientations, colors, and character animations, stuff like this. And still we have quite a lot of bugs, but yeah, you can have a basic gameplay for the network part.
Hello, I'm Mark from the team Outer Box Experience, and what do you call it? This week we've made a lot of progress with our programming side of things. There has been a couple of slip-ups with animations on my part to do with scale and whatnot, but I believe that can be fixed.
Working on more programming, of course, but I've got some stuff working, like the character switching. I've got that working properly, and the move towards points and stuff. Now I just have to rotate in the right direction, which is it's horrible to try and do, but I'm slowly getting there, and then I have to fix up the user interface stuff. It's all fun.
This week I've been UV mapping stuff. It's not fun, and at the minute I'm procedurally texturing some stairs, which you might not know what that means, but it's hard work. And we have most of the rooms done. Everything's looking swell, and next week assets, fun times.
Hello. Last week, I do a lot of make some new models about the items. You look this one. This one is the Explorer. There are a lot of flowers and the bomb, a lot of little widget and bomb.
Hello. In the last 2 weeks, we did some animation like this.
We also added this week some possible effects.
This week I'm working on the interface. This is our game's interface, and I must make each one of the items. Maybe it's from this turn to left one, and this to left one.
Hi, I'm Paul Rigby, and I'm the lead artist on Panoramic Vision. Right, this week, much like the past few weeks, I've just been texturing. Here we have the texture of Shutterbug going in there. Hopefully it'll be the final texture, and once I've got this finished and properly UV'd, I can start changing the colours so we can get some other Shutterbugs in there. I'm trying to keep it as close to the original concept art in terms of colour as possible.
I'm Nicholas Santos, and I'm the 3D modeler primarily for Panoramic Vision. So this week has been basically mostly about UV unwrapping. Programmers have pretty much done a fantastic job getting everything together. It's pretty much nearly done, plays really well. But now it comes to the point of creating all these assets.
So you see we've got the new Sunny model in. So progress this week has been quite good. As you see, things are looking a bit more lively. So I've been working on getting the in-game photo review screen working correctly. So you see that you can select it and the picture becomes bigger. And you've got the comments, and you can return to the menu, return to the game. And also just minor bug fixes and just refining the photo mechanics.
Hello, I'm Alan Carpenter, team leader for Infection Vector. This week we've been tying together all the stuff that we've been doing over the past few weeks to make the game playable. So we've been doing a lot of minor things just in terms of feedback and just tying together the bits of the interface to the code. So I'll just give you an example of the kind of thing that we've been working on. So this is the default mouse cursor at the moment, and we're just going to make it context sensitive. So you click on a roadblock to place a roadblock, and it'll just give you an idea of what mode you're in and what your mouse clicks are going to do. So that will set a roadblock there and then return to default. So that's pretty much what we've been working on this week.
Hi, I'm David Riley from Infection Vector, and this week I've just been fixing bugs or problems with the menu system.
Hello there, this is Kieran from Team Infection Vector. I just want to show you a small feature that's going to be in the game. This is designed to make it a bit easier for the people playing the game. Here we have the overview mode within the game, so you can see all the buildings from above. Now everything we have here, all these wee icons, are for the purpose of letting you know what the state of the building is without necessarily having to look at all the information. The top bar is how many people are infected in the building against how many people are actually in the building. The second bar is how many police are assigned to the building, and the third bar is how many biologists are assigned to the building. Now this is just so you don't have to keep look at all the information boxes within the game to find out all the find out exactly what the state of the building is, and it's just designed to make it a bit easier for the person to play.
I've just been sorting out the bugs and the sound and making sure the levels are all okay, so it all overlaps okay, that kind of stuff.
Hi, I'm Callie, we're Less Lethal Games, and we are making Captain Cannonball.
This week we actually added a few features to the level editor, just to make things easier on ourselves, being able to plot things directly on the terrain instead of having to place them manually. And yeah, just a couple of extra features and some more properties and commands to the scripting language.
Content is in what I'd say about 85% locked down now. We're really close to getting it all done. I've pretty much finished animating all the characters. We've got Admiral Anchor, he's the last one to be done, and he'll be finished off today. And we'll be popping in the engine soon enough, and we'll go on to HUD and that sort of stuff, scoring next week. Yeah, so it's coming along well.
Nearly everything has textures, nearly everything is done. We just need to finish it.
Progress has been really good this week. We've pretty much finished most of our assets. As Josh said, we're like 85% through now. Things have got textures, and every day things are getting prettier and prettier.
It's been a good week because we've been working really hard to get our gesturing working, and I'm happy to say we've managed to get our gesturing implemented, and we have had a good amount of testing on our first puzzle, and it's been good fun. So I'm really excited about how things are going at the moment. So yeah, so far first puzzle done, ready to go. Guys behind me are working, well, Nathan's been working on the second puzzle. He's gonna run you through that in a bit. Apart from that, Joe should be somewhere, there he is. He's starting work on the third puzzle, which I'm pretty sure he should be able to do in a week. So things are looking good. Yeah, the biggest headache we were having last week was getting the Wiimote to work and get the gesturing implemented, but now that that's covered, we've had a good solid amount of gameplay with the Wiimote, and it's looking good, it's good fun.
Okay, so this week we've got the gesturing fully working pretty much. We've got still got some work to do on it to make it a little more customised to us, because at the moment it's working off of an alphabet system. So it's just kind of looking to the nearest letter and triggering from that, so it's not as accurate as one, but it works. I'll just show you the first puzzle. As you can see, if you remember from the last time I showed you, the buttons are gone now. So to trigger the first sample, swap a W in, W triggers W, triangle, square, and swirly. So yeah, they all work pretty consistently, and you can do as big as you want, wherever you want on the screen. It just picks it up. We were having some problems with Flash using a lot of hardware, so we've made that a lot more efficient now, which is good. Just going to put your nose for it.